Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So right here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about the Linera airdrop, what you need to do to qualify and all the necessary steps that are involved to qualify properly for this airdrop. It is very simple and it is cost free, meaning that it won't cost you a dime and you can already do this in just 10 minutes or thereabout. So right here guys, on this video, watch out to the end, do not skip any parts. Let me show you guys what you need to do right now to qualify for the Linera airdrop. All right, so looking over here, you can see that they have actually raised about 12 million from the seed round, which I'm going to be showing you how on this video, and also stay positioned for what's coming to you right now. Remember, we do give out ton to our video viewers. If you're watching a video right now from any part of the world, simply make sure that you have subscribed, like this video, share this video, and make sure you put a very nice comment on the comment section to actually stand a chance of earning yourself some ton coin just by interacting with our channel. Even apart from that, please do it to subscribe to our channel to support us create more good content like this one. Thank you so much, as I believe you're going to be doing it. So when I come back right here, you can see this is clearly our Telegram channel right here, and over here guys, I have given you guys all the updates about the Linera airdrop, what you need to do and all the necessary things that are required for you to qualify for the airdrop. But on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the live tutorial about how you can be able to go around it. So the first thing first, when I take you right now to the Twitter account or the X account, you can see over here that they already have about 243,000 followers right here. But when I scroll down, you can see that they have actually made a lot of announcements concerning their airdrop. When I scroll down again, you can see right here that the way their airdrop works is that they actually give you guys task every single time, so that you need to actually go and complete either on Discord or on Gags. You all know that Gags is actually a website whereby we complete certain tasks and we also receive airdrop reward for that. So when I go right now to the website, let me show you guys some things really quick before we then go about into how to actually position very well for the airdrop. So you can see right here, this is where they actually raised about $6 million. Okay, so right now guys, let me now show you guys the second place where they actually raised the second funding. Okay, you can see additionally they also raised another $6 million from investment funds. So right now guys, this is actually a very nice one. Let me teach you what you need to do right now in order for you to get a very good cut from this Linera airdrop. Okay, so right now guys, the first thing is simply go ahead and of course copy this link right here. Once you copy the link, I'm going right now to my Mrs. browser, because on my Mrs. browser is where I have already connected all that are required for me to participate on any given airdrop. So right now I will go ahead and of course paste the link right here. I will go ahead and paste the link right here. Then I will go ahead and then search for it. So this is going to be taking me to the Gags website where I need to complete some certain task about this Linera airdrop. So the first thing first is actually for you to actually log in. Your own is not going to show exactly like my own right now. If your own doesn't actually show exactly like this one, you are going to be seeing something like login button right here. So once you just click on the login button, you can either log in by connecting your wallet or connecting your any wallet at all of your choice, or connecting any of your social accounts. That's the way you log in. It is very simple and straightforward. Anybody can do that. Okay, so right now guys, let's now go ahead. You can see a lot of things are actually involved right here. These are the given tasks that we are supposed to complete right here on this project Linera. So right now what I need to do first is simply go ahead and of course do all this stuff right here, which I'm going to be doing very soon right now. Okay, so the first thing you can see, we need to go ahead and of course click on participate. Once you click on participate, this is actually going to be taking you, sorry, my battery is actually going really down. So this is going to be taking you to this website right here. Okay, this page where you are actually going to be showing some stuff right here like the funding and everything. Looking over here, you can see they have about 12 million in funding. Just like I already said, you can see these are their backers, and right now guys, when you scroll down, you can see this is their task 1. Okay, and of course this is the task 2. All right? So what I need to do right now is very simple. Let's now go to the task 1. When I click over here right now, we are now going to be going to the task 1. Okay, you can see this is the first step, which is complete Gas quest of Linera. Visit this website right now, connect your wallet, and of course follow the instruction to complete this task right now. So it is all very simple right now, and of course you need to click on mark as read. And once you click on mark as read, it means that you have already read this. Remember, this thing right here is like the answers to all the questions that you might be facing, so take note of that. This has also been shared on our Telegram channel. Also on this task 2 right here, you need to actually join the Discord and of course get verified and of course level up on the Discord to actually be on the safest position. Right now I will click on mark as read right now. So from here I will go back right now. This is at the, sorry, I've gone really back too far. Okay, we go back right now to where we are supposed to be. Bear with me please. Over here right now, this is where all the whole thing are actually happening. So you can see the first requirement is actually for you to actually go ahead and of course complete this task right now. This is the first criteria I have actually completed. So I will go ahead and of course complete this task to actually earn 500 points. Okay, I will complete task to earn 500 points. Then I will go ahead and of course get verified role on Discord server and all this blah blah blah. So I will going ahead to complete as many tasks as possible before I will then go ahead and then show you the next step. So all these ones are very simple, and anyway I found any difficulty I will make sure I show you guys on this video. So I don't want this video to be very long because if I should go ahead and take my time to do all this thing right here on this video, then this video is going to be very long and I don't want it to be so. So right now guys, I will go ahead and complete as many tasks as possible, then we are going to be proceeding real quick. Alright guys, so sorry, my battery just went down, my camera has went down, so I will go ahead and then complete the video. So looking over here right now, you can see I have completed all this tasks right here. So what I need to do next is simply go ahead and select among all these to complete all the tasks that are available on it. And remember, on each task that you complete, you need to actually come over here that we have claim points to actually claim your points using the wallet that you actually connected. So right now I'm going to be proceeding to the next one. When I click over here right now, you can see that it's going to be loading up right now, and you need to complete all the tasks. They are very simple. So we go to the next one. So on this next one right here, you can see let me show you guys something real quick right here. So over here guys, you can see over here, this is where you are actually required to claim your point, but you can see that it is still locked. This is because I haven't claimed this point right here. This is because I haven't claimed it. Okay, bear with me guys, let me go back like this. And that's because I haven't claimed this point right here, but I'm going to be claiming it after I'm done with the whole steps. Okay, so right now this one I've already done all this one right. When I go to the next one guys, you can see this is where I am required to, you know, like tweet and all that. All these ones right here are very simple. So what I need to do from here is to simply go ahead and proceed to the next one. And over here guys, this is where we are actually required to, you know, answer some questions, then we proceed to the next one. So remember, all the answers to all these questions have been provided on our Telegram channel. So coming over here to our Telegram channel, you can see that this is where I have actually made available all the answers to the question. You can see all of them right here, and this one depending on the part of the question you are answering. But the first four, which I'm going to be answering right now, you can see the answers right here. Okay, so I will go ahead and of course click on this first one right now, and of course I'm going to be required to answer this quiz right now. So you can see the first answer right here is C. Okay, once you click on C like this, and right now you click on next, and when you click on next, the next answer is B. Okay, so right now guys, you click on next again, the next answer is D. Okay, and right now you click on next again, and the answer is A. Remember, all the answers has been provided on our Telegram channel, which the link is going to be on the video description box. Okay, right now I've done this one right now, then I'm going to be repeating the same thing right here on this one right now. So the answer right here is A. But let me just fast forward the video so that everything will be very quick and immediate. And right now, very quickly, I have been able to answer all the questions because I already have all the answers on our Telegram channel right here. So we proceed to the next one right here. And when I come over here, I'm going to be clicking on this right now. And when I click on this, you can see that I'm going to be taken to the next section whereby I need to, you know, visit all this. All this one right here are very simple. But coming over here, you need to have a role on their Discord server. Okay. And right, guys, this is the next quiz that you are going to be getting right here. And over here, guys, remember the answer as well has been provided right here on our Telegram channel. Okay, so that's all you need to do, and after that you go to the next one. And right here guys, on the next one right here, you can see you are also required to actually visit here every single day, and when you come to the next one, you are required to visit here every single week. Okay, and this way right here, you are required to visit here every single month and check out the announcement. And coming over here to the last one, you can see that this is where we have you need to attend the space on X and also answer the final quiz right here, which the answer is also on our Telegram channel. And after that guys, you go back right here guys, and you click right here. Okay, I'm going back to the first one right here, and I'm coming back to the first one over here, guys. This is where you need to actually click on claim button to actually claim all the points that you have earned so far. Remember, the point that you are earning is actually what's going to be positioning you to receive the airdrop. The higher your points, the more airdrop that you're going to be receiving. And also remember to be on their Discord channel. Make sure that you are very active on their Discord channel and attain at least a bronze role or silver role or gold role or even the guild role. All right, so this is very simple, and this is all you need to do. All right, so this is all you need to do in order for you to actually qualify for the Linera airdrop. So I believe you got a value from this video. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section. If you encounter any problem while doing this airdrop, let me know so that I can help you and resolve it immediately. So it is very simple. Make sure you give it a shot, and remember, this is entirely a free stuff. Nothing is actually going to be costing you a dime right here. So thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you guys on my next video that I'm going to be dropping very soon. Peace out, and for now, do have a lovely day.